Am I a morning person? No. Am I a night owl? No. I don't care what time of day it is. It's a no.
Flipperty, flopperty ears, flipper.
What? What do you want? You want more treats? You like it? What is it? Do you want to come down?
It's me. Hi. I'm your bestie. It's me.
And I have not behaved one single day of my life. Not one day of my life have I behaved, and I am fine.
Before you scroll, would you answer one question? May I be your TikTok dog?
Oh my god, is this a new rug? Oh, I freaking love it. Oh, it feels so good on my little paws. Oh, and I love the color. It goes so well with the rest. It kind of matches me, actually. Oh, you gotta tell me, where'd you get it? Where'd you get it? Can you get 7 more? I want the whole freaking house covered in...
So I have decided that you have to live forever, okay? Because if you don't, I will be wrecked. I will be completely shattered, and I don't know what I'll do, okay? Yeah, so you have to live forever, baby, okay? Yeah. Thank you. Love you.
You will be popular.
I had a lot of things to do today, but you know what I did instead? I took a nap. It was a very good nap. That email, I took a nap.
You're adopted. It's true. I adopted you. I'm sorry that the truth has to be revealed this way.
Turn up the volume and play this sound for your dog and see what happens.
Where? Who? You've been where? Where who?
What it is? Who can take your money?
Who can take your money?
With a twinkle in their eye.
A twinkle in their eye.
Let me spank that butt. Let me spank that butt. Let me spank that butt. Let me.
You and me? It's a forever kind of thing.
Gonna lay right here and have myself a little nappy. A nice little nappy do. A little napperoni and cheese, if you will.
Because I was rude, but I was rude to an idiot.
Doesn't matter, because I'm going to take a nap.
Oh. Max, what is this? Max.
You're my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpy umby umpkin. You're my sweetie.
And then another.
I think it's about time I get the...
Welcome to the boop zone, population you. Gonna poke the nozzle, what you gonna do? Boop.
Oh, Lord have mercy. Today drained me.
Just wanted to give you a quick update. Kai is a big humper.
He's overstimulated, literally humping everyone. And a lot of the dogs did not like it. He is social, but he's more concerned about humping everybody than he is playing and meeting.
How am I supposed to get anything done when I have this thing living in my house? All I want to do is look at you and kiss your face, okay?
Why does my dog do this? Looks to see if I'm wearing shoes. He wants to come in the house but stays outside. Then he gives me this look. Now he's thinking what he can do to get my attention. After a few seconds of taking out his frustration, he's now sad again because he knows Mom has to leave. So he goes and lays on the ground, sad and alone, making me feel guilty, never wanting to leave.
Your eyes, your smile, make my little life worthwhile.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see.
What are you doing? Don't do that. You are being a bad boy. You're being a bad boy? Yes, you are. You were not being a good boy today.
Life does not. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Introducing the most dramatic dog breed in the world. The Husky, a medium to large-sized dog breed originating from Siberia, presents a captivating combination of physical features and a distinct personality. Sporting a strong and athletic build, Huskies are covered in a thick double coat that serves as insulation against extreme cold. Their erect, triangular ears, bushy tails, and facial markings contribute to their iconic appearance. One of the most striking aspects of Huskies is their eyes, which are often blue or multicolored, adding to their allure. Beyond their visual appeal, Huskies are known for their friendly and outgoing nature. They exhibit a social temperament, making them not only beautiful, but also engaging companions. Historically, Huskies have been utilized for sled pulling, showcasing their endurance and strength in challenging environments. This background speaks to their adaptability and working abilities.
Max. Bye. Are you sunbathing? Max, are you sunbathing?